What's up guys, just a quick video on how to install the traction disc. I got this from Rodney from Bike Shack. This will improve the low rev stalling that I've been having. If you have a look at one of the other videos that I posted, Bell's Pass, you'll notice over there my bike keeps cutting out. So got this bad boy, gonna install it now, see how it goes, and then I'll give feedback at a later stage. At this point I already loosened up the nuts. I stripped one over there and I managed to break the oil plug. I don't know how. Let's see what's going on in here. It smells very good. So basically these bolts will be reused, as the disc should just slot on like that. So in essence, this should fit perfectly. It just bolts on. I'm gonna fasten it now, then close it up, and then see how it goes. There we go, it's in. Hopefully everything is fine. Please guys, if you do like the video, please like, subscribe, share. I will really appreciate it. Some of the 6 days and some Husqvarna models have this on, and this is what keeps the clutch from closing. So I just basically need to remove this and then it should close. So let's see. Bad boy. Then please close, and bingo, I'm done. Little bag for the extras. Finally managed to put in the new bolt. Got a new cap. So I'll probably go out this weekend, give it a test, and then I'll give you guys some feedback. Thanks for everyone along the way. Rodney from Bike Shack, thank you so much for the help. Thank you for everyone who recommended it. I really appreciate it. Like I say, I'll do a test this weekend and then I'll give my feedback. Next thing to do now is wash the bike, get it ready for Saturday, and then yeah, let's hope all goes well. Check you then.